Question number 9 is about kinetic theory. It said that a container is filled with equal mass of helium and neon gas at the same temperature. Which statement is correct? So we take a look at a few one. The average kinetic energy of the helium particle, it means that each one's okay. So remember the equation, half mv square would mean square value is the each average kinetic energy of each particle equals to V over 2 kT. Solely depends on the temperature, absolute temperature, so they have the same temperature, so the same average kinetic energy. Don't be too confident. Look at the what's go down, okay? But they said that equal mass, okay? Equal mass of helium and neon, but helium have a smaller molecular mass, right? So it should have more helium gas molecule inside. So C is correct, an equal number. Correct. Incorrect. Okay, so make a cross. Okay, and then look at the last one. Okay, the internal energy of helium gas, because you know they're ideal gas, right? So the internal energy of helium gas is total kinetic energy, but be careful, total. Average is the same. More helium gas molecules, so should be more internal energy, higher internal energy for helium gas. So wrong again. So the last one, okay, B. The helium particles total collide less frequently with the container wall than the neon. Think about it. Okay, we have more helium gas, and the helium gas has smaller molecular mass but the same average kinetic energy. So the helium molecule must have a faster would mean square speed. So we have more helium gas molecule and its speed is faster. So what will happen? More molecule move faster. Of course, when they move around the container, they collide with the container with a higher frequency of collision, right? So wrong again. So long as you got this result, then you can be confident. 1 correct and 3 incorrect. So you should be confident to choose A. You got it? Well done. Thank you.